I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and the QR. First, make sure your Android camera or Google Lens can scan QR codes. Some manufacturers hide this feature, so enable Lens if needed. Next, grant camera permission in settings so scanning works without interruption. Finally, position the QR image on a second screen or print it. You want a steady, clear target. This reduces glare and improves detection speed, so you won't waste time retrying scans. Once done, point your camera or Google Lens at the QR code and hold steady until the scanner recognizes the pattern. When the device detects it, a notification appears showing the Wi-Fi network SSID and security type. Tap that notification. Android will then parse and prefill the network name and password and present a join or connect prompt. Accept it to begin the association process. This step automates manual entry, reducing typos and saving time when passwords are long or complex. You finish by tapping the connect prompt and watching the Wi-Fi status change to connected. Android will obtain an IP and internet access shortly. If it doesn't connect, make sure the QR encodes the exact SSID, correct password, and matches the router security type. WPA2 versus WPA3 matters. If problems persist, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, try airplane mode for a quick network reset, or manually type the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.